So to remove this feet without damaging it, you will first need to heat it up. And I will be using this hair dryer, which is a very common tool in every household. I'm going to heat this thing up pretty nicely, and then I'm going to just use a plastic like this to just get under the hood, just get under this mouse feet. It is very difficult to get under this feet right now because the glue between the feet and the bottom part of the mouse is actually not loosened up a little. Once we heat it up, it is going to get soft, and then we can use this plastic thing to get under it, and we will be able to remove this mouse feet without damaging it. So I'm not going to waste any time, and so guys, at this point I was able to get this plastic between the feet and the glue. You just have to be very patient. Don't rush this step because you don't want to damage the feet. Now I'm going to heat it up again. So that is how you just remove the mouse feet without damaging it. It is actually that simple. Just heat it up well. I haven't used any razor blades or any sharp object, haven't damaged anything, and that is how I was able to remove the mouse feet without damaging it. Now this is in a pretty good shape. I haven't damaged it at all, and I can reuse it without any problems. So that is how you remove the mouse feet.